right, we are making it out. We are running late, but going to the Life of Burch meetup ride. It is very nice that it is drying up. It poured rain all day yesterday. Supposed to pour rain all day again tomorrow, but luckily we got a little break and it dried up for the meetup. We're going to make our way there and see what it's all about. Alright, so we have made it. There are, I don't even know how many people. Probably about, I don't know, maybe 70, 80. See Amir's bike over there. But let's get out and mingle.
You're later than I was expecting, Poppy. I'm disappointed. Is it that way?
Yeah, it's not fine. And it's very nice.
Hey, Alex. Great. Wow. Nice to meet you. Talking to you. I'm online, I think. Yeah. How are you? Yeah, good. How you doing? Doing well. Yeah, this is it, man. This is the bike I've been seeing. Yes, sir.
Have a good one. Alright, so we let the group go ahead a little bit, just kind of chilling, getting ourselves together at our own pace. Unfortunately, it seems like the 360 camera is not working right now. Kind of bummed because I feel like this section's gonna be a little bit nicer and it's not working. I got a gnat in my ear.
Oh, shoot.
I know, I'm wondering if it was the same corner though. Where was it?
Right before you get to the light to turn on Ariba.
Yeah, see, that's the turn.
Man's slid out and just straight into the ditch.
Damn. Awesome. So have had a great day out with everyone. This is the Bobber's favorite place. This is the second time I've been here today. But yeah, it's been a super good day. Got to meet a lot of people and finally put some faces to names. Unfortunately, the 360 camera stopped working halfway through. Don't know what's up with that. And unfortunately, someone went down in the group. Amir and I were running a little bit behind after the food truck, and we were not there when the person laid the bike down, but thankfully he was okay. Now, just making my way home after filling up. Gonna go hang out with the family and get the bike washed if I can beat the sunlight. But yeah, if you guys like today's video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I will see you guys next time.